Hi, this is finally 3D Masterclass again, and you are now watching rename positions to learn how to rename position and give them meaningful names so that they are easy to select.
After you placed all positions that you need on the right locations, it's a good time to give the positions meaningful names. This will help your crew to understand the plan and to set up the show more easily. Examine: you had to tell a new crew member to bring a module on a position. If you tell him to bring it on position 77, he might be lost. But if you tell him to bring it on the position shell's middle, he might have a clear imagination where the position could be found. In the following example, you see two lines of positions. The line from position 1 to position 9 is for comets, mines and lower size calibers. We wanted to call that position front because only front effects that are near to the audience are shot from here. Then you see a second line from position 10 to 12. From these positions bigger size caliber shells are shot. Let's start to rename the positions and begin with the front. First you must mark them. The easiest way to do that is to draw a rectangle around the positions. Click the left mouse button and then draw a rectangle to mark all positions that belong to the front. They will appear white when they are selected. Then go to one position and make a right-click on it. Select Rename from the context menu. Now you enter a new name stem, in our case front. You don't have to worry about the numbers. If more positions are selected, the name you entered is treated as prefix or stem. The label for the input enter name stem is also telling you that the numbers will add it automatically. Press the enter button. You see our complete line is changed to the more meaningful name front now. Let's try the same with the positions 10, 11 and 12. Let's select them, drawing a rectangle around the positions. This time we go to Positions, Rename Positions. Type in shells. It doesn't matter if you use the renaming function from the main menu or from the context menu. Both ways will result in the same result. Because we selected all three positions and renamed them, we still have the postfixes with the numbers behind our names. Let's get rid of these numbers and give the shell positions more meaningful names. To rename only a single position, select only this position. Then open the context menu with a right-click and select Rename. When you look at the label of the input field now, you see that it is called Enter Name. You are able to give it a complete name without the automatically added number now. Let's call this position shell left. Let's repeat this step with position shells 2 and rename it to shell middle. Repeat it again for the last position. This time we go over the positions menu, click rename positions and type in shell right. Now we have a setup with descriptive position names. The setup plan will now be less confusing and should be easier to set up even for new crew members.